agriculture. We know that the progress of any country depends on agriculture and the industrial development. Agriculture means cultivation of land. It also includes horticulture, livestock rearing, and fishing. Agriculture provides food for people and raw material for industries. That's why in our country, more than 2/3 of Indian populations are involved in agriculture, which means that agriculture is the main occupation in our country. Types of crops in India. As our country, India, has a favorable climate, fertile soil, and good irrigation facilities to grow many crops, our crops grown are divided into two categories. One is food crops and another are the cash crops. Let's talk about them in detail. Food crop. These crops are grown to meet the food requirement of the people, or we can say the crops which are grown to be eaten are called food crops. Some of the examples of food crops are rice crops, wheat, millets, and maize crops. The wheat crops are grown in cool and moist climate. That is why wheat are grown in Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Madhya Pradesh, Haryana and Rajasthan. Whereas millets like jowar, bajra and ragi grows in hot and dry climate. That is why we can find millets in Maharashtra, Telangana, Karnataka, Rajasthan and Gujarat. The rice crops are the crops which are grown in region where the climate is hotter and with lot of rainfall. For example, the rice is grown in the states of West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Bihar and Odisha. Cash crops. When the crops by selling in the market give cash to the farmer is called cash crops. Or we say the crops which are grown to be used in industries for sale in the market are called cash crops. Crops like cotton, sugarcane, tea are the examples of cash crops. Tea is also an example of cash crop which is grown in hot and wet climate. We can find tea crops in the states like Assam, West Bengal, Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Himachal Pradesh. Also, jute are also grown in the states like West Bengal, Bihar, Assam and Odisha. The jute is useful for making bags, carpets and roofs. India is also very rich in spices. Spices such as pepper, cloves, cardamom, nutmeg, chilies and ginger are grown mostly in Kerala and Karnataka. Variety of fruits are also produced by India. Fruits like peach and grapes, pineapple, jackfruits are the variety of fruits produced by India.